Hi there, welcome back to IME TV channel. This week we are going to share about the choices of implementation for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD and project data management. Design and collaboration are essential in an organization, enabling product design and documents to be managed directly by authoring applications. Moreover, users can leverage the platform to manage, to annotate, to visualize the design anywhere, anytime, from any devices. Dassault Systèmes SOLIDWORKS offers multiple choices to the market and customers, and therefore you can decide the packages or type of licenses depends on your company directions and the business plan. First, SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD, PDM and Manage are full suite on-premises design and project data management. On top of the data securities, revision and approval control, it adds powerful capabilities such as process, project, and item management. Come with interactive dashboarding and also reporting functionalities. All these licenses are all activated at your premises, PC, servers as your assets, and therefore it will require IT management and also fully configurable for your company process. This is very suitable for medium and large scale company or maybe MNC company. Nonetheless, SOLIDWORKS customers or SOLIDWORKS users are very suitable to implement PDM and Manage on top of your existing SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD. Secondly, you can also choose to implement a hybrid type on-premises plus on-cloud environment for your existing SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD. To implement on-cloud project and document management, it's getting you less hassle on implementation. It's just like plug and play, and you have less IT and maintenance costs. It's suitable to all types of companies and especially existing SOLIDWORKS users and you wish to have a quick implementation, cloud-based management. Last but not least, the third choice is 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS. This is the full types on cloud design and collaboration systems. In this case, SOLIDWORKS also has rebranded the 3D CAD to SOLIDWORKS Connected when you are using an on-cloud licensed SOLIDWORKS. You can access your design and work on your design data now, anywhere, anytime, from any device. This is the SaaS model. You basically just need to pay per use. It is suitable for any startup company or any existing SOLIDWORKS user and customers, and has a plan to transform your licenses from on-premise to on-cloud for digitization process. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. I hope with today's sharing, you are able to understand more and able to support your plan in your implementations. Register now for upcoming webinar on 4th of November 2020 if you are interested to know more about the 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS.